Hello guys, and today I will show you how to set the best equalizer settings for your Sonos Roam speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, I need you to make sure that you have downloaded Sonos application and you have your device into the application. If not, and you don't know how to do it, you can check out the video in our channel. The link will be right here in the right corner, and then come back for the equalizer settings. If you have everything done, first thing you need to make sure that your speaker is connected to your phone with Sonos application or with a Bluetooth. Is everything done? Now we can go to the equalizer settings. And now how to find the equalizer settings. You need to open your Sonos application and find this icon, settings. We just press on it. We need to choose our device. We click on it and go a little bit lower and find the EQ tab. We click on it and here's the settings of equalizer. As you can see, here's two lines named bass and treble. Let's start from the first one. It's either bass booster or bass reducer. You can move it to the plus or to the minus, and you can turn on your favorite song, and while it's playing, you can move this setting and listen. Do you like it bass boosted or bass reduced? Now let's go to the treble. Treble, aka high frequencies. You can also play your song, and while it's playing, you can boost it or reduce it. And you can listen on your song how is it changing the sound and choose for you the best settings. Also, you can see here setting named loudness. The loudness setting is making the sound more noticeable. When you are done, you just click on this arrow right here, and your settings are saved. Now you can enjoy your personalized sounding on your Sonos Roam. Thank you for watching.